What if a simple 2D floor plan could become a complete real estate experience? Turn flat layouts into realistic 3D visuals, virtual tours, and marketing-ready content. Getfloorplan AI helps real estate teams create professional property visuals directly from floor plans, from 2D layouts to realistic 3D renders and immersive 360 virtual tours, all within one business day. No complicated production pipeline, just fast, scalable real estate visualization. Getfloorplan AI is built for professionals across the real estate industry. For real estate agents, it helps listings stand out and attract more buyer attention online. For developers, it's an efficient way to showcase properties before construction is completed, with realistic visuals for sales and investor presentations. And for marketers and photographers, it provides a scalable way to deliver premium real estate content without complex 3D production workflows. Whether it's apartments, residential homes, or large-scale developments, the goal is simple: make properties easier to understand and more appealing to buyers. The process is simple. Start by going to getfloorplan.com and uploading a floor plan. Then choose a visual style that matches the property and your presentation goals. The platform automatically generates a complete visual package, including 2D floor plans, 3D renders, and 360 virtual tours. Everything is created from a single source file, helping teams produce marketing materials faster and more consistently. Instead of managing multiple vendors and tools, you can create everything in one streamlined workflow. The visual quality is designed specifically for modern real estate marketing. Detailed textures, realistic lighting, and accurate room proportions help buyers better imagine the property before visiting in person. The 360-degree virtual tours create a more immersive experience for remote buyers, international clients, and online audiences. For real estate businesses, this means stronger first impressions, better engagement, and more professional property presentations across digital channels. Instead of showing technical floor plans alone, you can present a property as a complete visual experience. If you're looking for a scalable way to create real estate visuals, virtual tours, and presentation-ready marketing content, Getfloorplan AI is worth exploring. Transform floor plans into immersive property experiences. Simplify your real estate marketing workflow and present properties in a more modern, visual way. Try Getfloorplan AI today.